I love my track members. They are wonderful. They have one spirit. They say, oh, let's do this today. Let's go and meet one. In fact, we're bringing that one day today. They're going to do.
I've created a lot of applications. That I did not know I could try my hands on.
Senator Isaiah is my name. I'm a fellow developer of JavaScript track.
I'm a Funaya Honor. I'm in .NET track.
Ezine Emanuela Chiweze. I'm in JavaScript track.
Raphael Isaac, I'm in the .NET track.
Before I joined the program, I was managing my dad's business.
I was coming from an engineering background and a support background, straight into the program.
I heard about the fellowship program from a WhatsApp group, the Google Developer Group I joined.
I jammed this opportunity on the internet, that was on Instagram.
Actually, I was working in administration. So before joining the program, I had the thing for technology. And coming down to DevOps, it has been amazing. It has been wonderful.
My experience has been a good one. I was a JavaScript developer before I came here. I had some experience with JavaScript, and it was like a whole paradigm shift to going to C# and .NET.
I had a very deep love for C# programming language, and I saw an opportunity, so I took it. So the program really taught me a lot, all what I needed to know about C#.
I came in with little experience, and as a matter of fact, I've been able to gather more knowledge about different technologies.
Oh, the DevOps curriculum is state of the art. It's industry one-to-one correspondence with the industry requirement.
It's okay for you to follow the curriculum without having a facilitator. Then adding a facilitator to the curriculum makes it more explanatory and more easy to follow.
I've built a lot of, personally and with my team, we built a lot of projects, very noteworthy projects, robust from start to finish, and it's something to be proud of.
During the fellowship program, what I've been able to achieve so far is my hands have been dirty. When I say my hands have been dirty, I have a lot of projects I've actually worked on.
Actually, it has impacted very much because before I joined DevOps, I didn't know how to write ordinary HTML tags. But I see myself now, I can write backend code, I can write front end, I can write a full website on React and then Firebase, Express, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful.
Sure. I will recommend the DevOps fellowship to anybody that wants to take up a career in tech.
A lot of people come to me and be like, oh, what's happening at DevOps? We see you always talk about these people, want to be here. I know 3 people that are currently at DevOps now, courtesy of me. So yeah, I will recommend as many people as I want. There's so many people that want to join through me.
I say a big thank you to the management of DevOps Africa.
Thank you very much, DevOps Africa. It's been a great learning experience.
Thank you, DevOps. Indeed, it has been a wonderful journey, and I like the facilitators. I like what they are doing here, and I like the environment. I like the teaching. I like the pay, especially.